Hello my friends, welcome to the fourth video of the mini-series on how I trade Fractal Frenzy indicator with IDR. And in this video we're going to talk about the Asian breakout that I trade. I spoken in the previous video how important the Asian IDR levels are during the daily cycle. And now we are going to see how powerful they are, my friends, because price tends a lot of times to react from it, and we can take this reaction as a trading idea, followed of course from a fractal frenzy signal. I told you in the previous video that when price is below the Asian DR levels we are bearish, and when we are above them we are bullish. Of course, what else I told you is that between the two Asian DR levels, we are neutral and we don't take any positions. Now, let's forward price to see how it plays out. London will begin. As you see, we have our first breakout from it. Let's see, look how price came back, reacted from it, rejected it in the 5-minute candle. And let's see if I go down even before London forms. Let's see. Let me make the signals bigger so we can visualize them better. Let's see what price will give us. You saw we had a breakout, a retest of the level. Remember, in any concept that we trade in the IDR, I always want to see the breakout and the retest of the level that we want. Look, breakout from the Asian DR level, price came back, had the fractal frenzy signal, and let's see, we covered over here 5.5, and let's go for 1.5 always, because we love dopamine, we love to win, and of course it helps our incomes. Let's see, you see by yourselves price, we have another fractal frenzy, and we had a really nice winner over here. This of course is a London example. I also, if I go back to the 5-minute, you will also see that we have the bullish expansion model. Although the London low has passed the 50%, we can take it that it is probably a bullish expansion, but in this situation we use the most easy way to establish our bias with above and underneath the Asian DR levels, and look, breakout, retest, and we took the signal of the Asian DR breakout. These, of course, trades can happen during New York. Let's go to see an example how we can also trade New York with the same exact concept. Here, my friends, is a New York example. As you all know, until now, I really like to draw my Asian DR levels, despite the fact that the indicator prints extends the Asian DR lines. I like in general to visualize things. Look over here, in these kind of situations when the zones are too small, we make them a little bit more bigger so we can see them. What are we seeing over here? We are seeing that we are having a bearish expansion model. What do we all the time say? That when price is under the Asian DR levels, we are bearish, and when we are above the Asian DR, we are bullish, and of course, one more time, over here we are neutral. Look, although what will happen at this point, we are at the mixed session over here. Look, price aggressively broke the Asian DR levels towards the upside. Probably we had news at this point. And what happened over here? Price came back, retested the Asian DR level, indicating us that we are might going to go bullish. Let's see if we are going to have a fractal frenzy signal that will help us. We see price again into the neutral zone. What do I want to see? I want to see, of course, price breaking out again and giving us a fractal frenzy signal. New York began, and we have our fractal frenzy at this point signal. We will be passive, covering of course the lows over here, 10-point stop loss, 10 pips, sorry, going for a 1.5. Let's see now what will happen. Price retested again the Asian DR levels, keeping us in drawdown, but look eventually what will happen. We will have a winner much more quicker then we would have waited for the confirmation, and because price would be above the Asian DR levels, we will be correct trying to search for our longs. This is, my friends, how I personally take and choose my setups. Please, in order to learn even more details about all these concepts, please go and see my live streams where I go in depth in many concepts around DR IDR that will help you even more in your trading journey. Thank you very much.